Hello everyone, my name is Samna. I'm from Cambodia. I'm a friend of Tong, and I'd like to wish Tong a happy wedding and may God bless him and his wife.
Hey Tong, it's me Fritz from Germany. We met in MBC, we studied together. Can't believe you're already getting married, man. Where did you find that girl? I wish you all the best and I hope you get a lot of children. And I hope you have a lot of fun making those.
Christian greetings to you, my beloved Minister of the Gospel, Pastor Tonton. This is Minister Dominic, Dominic Pucci Alvin from Papua New Guinea. I would like to wish you the best in your special day, which will never happen in a lifetime again, with your sweetheart. As you and your sweetheart join hands together to be one, may the good Lord in heaven bless your family and bless your ministry. With my sincere heart, I would like to pass these greetings, in which I will never be present in physically, but these regards and greetings will help you. As you know, as a brother we have met in MVC, it's very important that I would like to send these regards and greetings and best wishes in your very important day. God bless.
Hi Tong, how are you? Well, I'm Lim. Do you remember me? I'm from Malaysia. I know today is your big day in your life. Well, my wish to you is you can stay faithful in the ministry and your wife is going to support your ministry. May God bless you.
สบายดีต้องเป็นยังไงโดนนั้นพอสมควรบ่ได้ยินข่าวแต่มื้อนี้ได้ยินข่าวดีว่าเจ้าจะแต่งงานแล้วข้อยก็มีความดีใจหลายที่ได้ยินว่าเจ้าจะสร้างครอบครัวใหม่ขอให้พระเจ้าอวยพรแล้วก็ขอให้มีความสุขอยู่ในครอบครัวแล้วก็รักพระเจ้าหลายๆ
สบายดีต้อง I'm Rixel Mark Ologin from Philippines.
Ooh,
and my wish for your wedding that you will soon to be you will become a good father and a good pastor to your ministry, and I hope many people will come and be blessed.
Hello Tong. My name is Yesaya. I'm from Indonesia. Your friend in MPC. You still remember me? I hope your wedding this time will go smooth until the end of your life. So God bless for you, for your family and your ministry. God bless you.
สบายดีตรงสุขสันต์วันแต่งงานถึงว่าพวกค่อยอยู่ไกลแต่บ่ได้กลับเมืองแต่พวกค่อยอยากกลับเมืองในวันแต่งงานของเจ้าแต่ว่ายังคาเฮียนอยู่แต่พวกค่อยมีคำที่จะแสดงความยินดีในวันแต่งงานเจ้าในวันนี้หวังว่าตรงจะมีความสุขกับคู่ครองใหม่แล้วเตรียมตัวจะเป็นพ่อเพราะว่าพระคัมภีร์ได้ว่าอยู่ในปฐมกาลบทที่2บ่สมควรแม่นบ่สมควรผู้ชายที่จะอยู่โดดเดี่ยวฉะนั้นแหละผู้ชายจำเป็นที่จะต้องแต่งงานมีครอบครัวที่ดีและพระเจ้าอวยพรพระเจ้าในวันนี้ได้พบคู่ครองที่ดีคือเมียจะเป็นในโบซ่านี่ฉะนั้นเจ้าต้องเป็นพ่อที่ดีแล้วก็ขอพระเจ้าอวยพรเจ้าในวันแต่งงานแล้วก็ในการรับใช้พระองค์อยู่ทางประเทศลาวแล้วก็มีความสุขอยู่ในครอบครัวตลอดไปพระเจ้าอวยพร
Hello, Tong. I'm Xiao Xiao and I'm from MBC.
I'm Heart or Kasing Kasing from MBC too.
Kuya, as you have another journey in your life, that you will gonna have your wife, I wish that you will have plenty of children, that it will be little cheeky things, then I wish that your ministry there at Lao will be blessed by God and you will convert many souls together with your wife.
For me, my wish for you is to have a long life, obedient children, and also may your marriage be
Last long.
may last long.
Yeah. And also, Kuya, come back here at Philippines, ha? Don't forget us.
BH!
BH!
Hey, congratulations.
Wedding.
It's me, Charles. Still remember me? You're getting married, huh? I don't know what to say, but congratulations. May you find peace and be faithful with your wife to be or your wife. I'm so happy that in this walk of life, I've met you on the road and walked with me for a little while. And thank you for all your advices. Working with you as a PF president last year was so good, and it was quite a great experience working with you. You know, Kuya Tong, I miss you, and I am so happy to hear that you're getting married now. And may the good Lord bless and keep you with your wife. I think I don't have any more to say. Okay, Kuya Tong, keep it up. God bless you more. Double times fold. Okay.
Hi Tong, my friend, congratulations! Happy wedding in advance. God bless you. More kids to come. I hope you will have 1 dozen of children for you to enjoy life. God bless your ministry. God bless your future family, and congratulations to your wife to be. More power.
Good morning or good afternoon or good evening to you, Doctor. I am very happy that you are fulfill your mission. Not only the mission of yours, but also the Bible also say that go and multiply. The book of Genesis. But remember to love her and treat her like a queen, as according to what the book of Solomon say. You're the queen of my heart. So Dortong, make sure that your wife will be very happy, and also both of you as you guys grow together in love, especially the love of Jesus Christ. That remember that you have a mission to fulfill, to preach the gospel, and also to help your family to spiritually grow, especially your wife and your kids. So don't forget that God has a plan for both of you. Dor, we love you and we miss you. See you in heaven or see you someday. May God bless you.
Hello and happy wedding, Mr. Tong, Brother Tong. My name is Masikt Iveong. I'm from the island of Palau, and I'm here in MBC studying theology. When I came, I hear your name a lot, so I think you must have been a very good person while you were here. I just want to say congratulations on you getting married. You know, the Bible smiles upon marriage. The first miracle Jesus did was at a wedding in Cana. And so I just want to say, and God bless you in your marriage. Ellen White says, let your courtship continue in your marriage years. So continue on courting your wife even after year after year after year as you are married. So God bless you, my brother. May God prosper your marriage. And if I don't see you here on earth, I'll meet you and your wife in the New Jerusalem. Take care.
Hello, Tomto.
Hi, sabay di po Tong. When I heard about the news, I was really shocked. You get married soon, even you're younger than me. That's so fast, but I've heard that you already convinced the beautiful lady in the church. Yes, I already believe that you are a powerful minister in the field. I knew that, but I think it is still so fast. But I will pray for you so that you can try your best to have many offsprings so they multiply to the world with the word of God. Okay, so fulfill in God's will through your work. Let us see you in your country again. I will go there, huh? You invite me.
Hello, Tongto. This is Dan. Hope you still remember me. I would like to congratulate you on your wedding. You are beginning a new journey, which is a very big part of your ministry. So I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you a very happy marriage and blessings in your new life of marriage that you're beginning. Remember that Jesus Christ is the center of every successful marriage. God bless you in your marriage, you and your sweetheart. Congratulations, and may God be with you always.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
sweetheart.
Congratulations.